Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting essentials: the police report number, incident date, and the full name listed on the report. Once done, open a secure device and an updated browser so the site behaves reliably. Make sure pop-ups are allowed for PDFs. Next, navigate to your local police records or government portal and choose the option for police reports or incident records. You enter the report number and agency code when prompted, because that exact ID directs the system to the single record you need. You'll complete any CAPTCHA or two-factor authentication that protects access, because secure portals require proof you're human. After authentication, select the PDF or printable view. This displays the official stamp, timestamp, and issuing officer block. Make sure the stamp matches the report number and incident date. Discrepancies mean wrong file. Then choose Download rather than Save as to preserve embedded metadata. Once downloaded, open the PDF and inspect the header and footer where the digital stamp and certificate details. You finalize by saving the original PDF in a secure folder and making an external backup. This preserves the stamped record if you need it later. If you must submit the document, print or export while keeping the digital signature intact, and note the file name, timestamp, and retrieval date. If the stamp is missing, mismatched, or the file won't open, contact the agency records unit immediately and report the report number and retrieval steps. That's the fastest way to correct a filing or system error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.